Well, let me start by apologizing for video one. We had been on about a week-long vacation, had all kind of trouble, and I was frustrated and hot and just fed up. So let me apologize for video one. This is video two. I've had a shower, I've shaved, I've had a night to sleep on it, and God came to me in the middle of the night and told me to have a little more patience. And the way I'm going to fix this now is I've got a 50 amp plug that I've got this trailer still sitting out here in front of the shop, and I'm going to leave it plugged in for a month. I figured out that the reason I'm having trouble each time we go someplace is that's the only time I ever use it. So how could I have trouble any other time than that? So what I'm going to do every day for 30 days, we're going to have a video, and it's going to be titled RV1, RV2. This is RV2. RV1 was yesterday when I was sweaty and upset. I got those lines fixed, and the hydraulic stuff is working now. The next project I'm going to work on is the air conditioners. I know I have an issue with the little telephone fittings that go, they're down inside that return air deal on the rooftop unit, and I'm going to film all that. But this video here is just to tell you that we're going to do RV1 through 30. It's going to be 30 days of me using this camper every day, taking the jacks up and down, running the slide outs in and out, keeping stuff in the refrigerator, running the air conditioner, running the TV, running the hot water, just like I'm living in it, except for it's in my driveway. So I'm not stranded somewhere wondering how to fix something. So if you want to hit the like button and subscribe, you'll see when I put a new video out. And if you're out stranded somewhere and you're searching how to do something, I'm not an expert. I just bought this camper and I'm trying to figure out how to use it. And a lot of times, that's all I need to help fix something is just a second person to talk to. So if you're stuck somewhere and you got a problem, don't hesitate to call me. Mike Culpepper, 817-229-1853, and I'll try to help you. I'm not an expert, and me trying to help you doesn't mean that if you break something or fall off the roof while I'm talking to you, I can't be held responsible for that. So just know I'm trying to help. Okay, so this is RV2. Stay tuned for RV3, and that will be when I'm up on the roof looking into these air conditioner problems with these little plug-ins. All right.